fire truck zooming down the lane. Let's sing it loud again and again. Red, red, paint it red. Paint the walls and paint the shed. Splish, splash, what fun we had with the red paint can. I'm feeling glad. Now I've got some blue, cool like the sea. I paint the sky and the bumblebee. Just kidding! Blue like jeans and blueberries too. Let's paint together, me and you. Blue, blue, paint it blue. Dip your brush and swirl it too. Splish, splash, a sky so wide with the blue paint can by my side. Look at this can, it's sunny yellow, bright and happy, such a cheerful fellow. Paint the sun and paint some stars. Let's paint yellow near and far. Yellow, yellow, paint it bright, like the sunshine, pure delight. Splish, splash, it's such a thrill. With the yellow paint, we paint the hill. Splish, splash, drip, drop, swish. Mix those colors in your dish. Red and yellow, what's that hue? It's orange paint, brand new. I see a can of green, fresh and cool. Painting grass and frogs at school. Leaves on trees and peas on a plate. Let's paint green, it's really great. Green, green, paint it green. The prettiest shade you've ever seen. Splish, splash, let's paint the scene with our shiny can of green. I took some red and mixed in blue. Look what happened, it turned brand new. It's purple, wow, like magic paint. Let's color the castle for the prince and saint. Purple, purple, what a treat. Mixing colors can't be beat. Splish, splash, twirl and spin. Let the purple painting begin. Red and blue and yellow too. Green and purple, me and you. Splish, splash, what fun we've made in our colorful paint can parade. Splish, splash, hooray, hooray. Let's paint the rainbow every day.
Wow! Look at all those colors! Great job, painters! Now clean those brushes! Until next time, in the paint can parade!